Okay, look on our website. This is a fact. We have the best selection of Land Rovers and especially Discovery 5s anywhere in the UK. Cars that are physically impossible to go and buy from a Land Rover dealer new, we can supply them to you straight away. This is an incredible example of the Land Rover Discovery 5. 2022, it's a D300. It's all about the engine in this car. 300 brake horsepower, R-Dynamic SE in Santorini black. The car's covered 3,000 miles in a like new condition. You know, we've got so many unbelievable cars in stock at the moment and selling them just as fast as they're coming in. Discovery 5s, this is the best 7-seater you can buy in the market. The car's covered 3,000 miles, but it's got some key features. It's an SE model, so the SE spec is standard, but going over and above that with the opening sunroof. It's got the two-tone ivory and black interior, and it's got the black styling package, black roof rail, so the car looks unbelievable. From the front, LED lights, beautiful LED driving light, black badges, gloss black dynamic grille, all the black inserts into the front bumper, so the R-Dynamic insert, the bottom section, it's all painted in black. This is a 22 plate car. It's got Land Rover warranty until 2025, Land Rover breakdown assistance along with that warranty. You'll see the full black styling continues to the exterior. On the side angle, the wing inserts, all painted arches, roof rails. Then we've got these 21-inch dynamic wheels, which are two-tone, polished and grey design. Stunning. The car is absolutely superb, it really is. You'll see roof rails and you'll also see that opening roof. The SE model comes fully loaded anyway, Meridian sound system, keyless entry, keyless start, 360 surround view camera system, air suspension, electronic tailgate. The car's got so much power being the 300. And you'll see we've got electric rear shelf, your air suspension settings, switchable in the back here, and then you've got your intelligent seat folds. So these seats, the 7 seats, third row folds electronically from them buttons there. Again, it is a genuine 7-seater, so you get all the height and the room in the back of the vehicle. But if you look around the car, it is absolutely in a new condition. And that's what we sell. We do sell the best. And then again, inside, I love the interior. Ivory and black two-tone interior. It really is a big selling feature of one of these cars. I think it just lightens the cabin up when you've got the ivory along with the black instead of an all-black interior. You'll see the opening sunroof. We've also got the sunroof in the third row as well for your rear passengers. And then these new generation cars, 11.4-inch touchscreen to the centre, full digital interface behind the steering wheel. That's not a standard feature on one of these cars anymore. You can get these vehicles if you're looking in the market with just the analog dial. So this one's got the full digital interface. If you look into the door, some of the other features, Meridian surround sound stereo. We've got memory seats for driver and passenger, which are fully electric. You'll see lane departure in the mirrors. Car's stunning. And I love the Santorini black. I think it's just a classy colour, elegant, still retains its sort of expensive feel with that colour. Jumping in, we've got fixed side steps as well, help me to get in the car, keyless entry, keyless start. New design on the steering wheel, the stainless steel sections you'll see, digital interface behind the steering wheel. Then look at this 11.4-inch touchscreen. Wireless smartphone interface. If I've got my phone connected to the car, Android or Apple, it'll just connect to the car wirelessly. I can then use my mobile phone's capabilities through the screen. But if you don't want to use that, this is the screen you'll see. Navigation, Bluetooth, media interface. You can go into a different menu, set your climate control. It is, of course, a 4-wheel drive, so you've got your 4-wheel drive capabilities, low traction launch, all the things you'd want the vehicle to do off-road, it will. Heated front seats, digital climate control, heated front and rear screens, short shift gearbox, which I love. They've changed the way the gear system operates in this car. Pop it into reverse, you'll then see this camera system. We talk about on every car in the new generation Land Rover, you've got reverse camera, you've got top view, then you've got the 3D surround view system, which is out of this world. That's all we need to show you. It's incredible. So if you're going to park this car, it's super easy. Car's got different driving modes. Being a dynamic, it has dynamic drive down to efficiency mode. It's in beautiful order all round with 3,000 miles on. It's a 2022 plate car on the website now. A car that's physically impossible to go and buy from a Land Rover dealer. We have it, we have others, but this is a great example. Thanks for watching.